Celeste.
And we are A and C with a twist.
Today we are doing a recipe in honor of the first responders who are working hard to keep us safe, especially Officer Gavin Wilson, who gave us this recipe for no-bake cookies. Let's get started.
Our ingredients today are butter,
Vanilla extract,
milk,
cocoa,
yes,
what is it? Cocoa powder,
cocoa powder, peanut butter,
salt,
and quick oats.
and and sugar. We need a pot and a stove.
You need your parents for this recipe.
Don't break the stove. Yeah, use your parents' permission? Yeah. Have your parents' permission and guidance because we have to use the stove.
Yes.
Don't burn yourself.
Yes.
Okay, let's start baking. We're gonna start out by putting half a cup of milk into the pot and 2 cups of sugar. Half a cup of milk.
We need the other bag of sugar. Wait,
1 cup.
1 cup. Stop. 2 cups.
We're gonna put in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 stick of butter and 4 tablespoons of cocoa into the pot with it. It's a half teaspoon.
One stick of butter. 1 stick of butter.
Time for 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. One, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Now we boil it for 2 minutes.
We're gonna start mixing before we boil.
I'm mixing.
Oh! Eh! Mixy.
It's boiling.
Well, how?
Have you never expressed water doesn't boil when you're staring at it? Let's make brownies. I want a brownie too.
Yay! It's boiling now. It should look like this.
Now we turn off the heat.
Now we put in a teaspoon of vanilla,
We put in half a cup of peanut butter.
Please don't. This is where you need your parents' supervision.
We're gonna put in 3 cups of oats.
While it's still hot.
Yeah, while it's still hot. You wanna do these steps quickly. 1, 2, and 1 more. 1 more. And 3. Now we mix it up. You got it. We're doing it while it's hot, so that it cooks the oats.
Yes. Quickly.
When you're done, you scoot it back over here. Once it looks like this, then you let it cool for a few minutes, and then we're going to start forming the shape. Oh, you have to line our baking sheets with parchment paper. Okay, now we're going to form them into balls.
Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more.
Put some more.
Put some more. Don't be shy. And now we put this in the freezer and let it cool, and then you can enjoy them. Boy, if you don't. Boy! Here's your lunch.
Yummy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
Actually, I'll put that one in the video.
Put some.
Oh, now I'm gonna put it in. I'll even put a replay of it for you.
Please don't.
Cue the replay.
Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
We're done. Now you freeze them. Now it's time to try it. Right. Perfect. And that was our no-bake cookies with a twist. Thank you, Gavin.